You can use Simplify Modifier in 2D drawings inside of Blender to simplify the shapes. So over here, you can see that I'm in my 2D animation mode, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the draw tool right here and then just draw out a shape just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to draw out right here, and there you go. So I'm just going to draw out a random shape over here. If you want to simplify this out, then you can go around into object mode. And once you do that, on the right hand side, you can go around into the modifier properties. And once you go into the modifier properties, you can go on to the add modifier option right here. And then what you can do is you can go around and add in simplify modifier just like this. So right now it's fixed, as you can see. So if I were to increase out the iteration, then you can see that the shape become much more simpler in comparison to before right here. So I can increase this out to increase the level of simplification of the object. I can go around over here and change adaptive. So this is just a different method of simplifying it out. The sample right here, increase this out, and you can see that it simplifies out in a different way, as you can see. Meaning the curviness actually decreases out, and what happens is that the level of the lines actually decreases. You can also go around into mirrors, and now this is a different sort of simplification, as you can see. So I'm going to go around into sample and so forth. And as you work around with this, you can see that I can make the object more simple or make it complex right here, or go back to complex level right here. And that is how you can work around with Simplify Modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.